What's going on YouTube? I know it's been a little while. My car, it sounds like crap. So we gotta change the muffler. I'm gonna put this this thing is huge. Big, ready. Exhaust. I think it came off an EVO. At least that's what it fits when I look it up. I know it's been a really long time since I posted a video. It's been cold. I haven't even got a chance to work on my own car. I've been fixing everybody else's stuff. So, quick little project today. 2 bolts on 2 and a hanger, 2 on the original, but this is all I had that was already welded up, and I don't feel like really welding anything else, and this sounds like a rice bucket. So, let's get started. Okay, that's what that sounds like. Now, hopefully we can change that. This, if I remember correctly, this was a lot deeper sounding. I know it looks really ricey, but with the amount of room under there, you can't even tell. So, we're gonna put it on. Let's get started. Now, if you go under the back wheel, there's 2 bolts, 1 and 2. Hanger is up on the subframe. Up there. And there's the second one in the back. So there you guys go. I'm gonna throw this on real quick. I'm gonna put it on time lapse and be done in about probably 5 minutes. A little bit of silicone spray. And on these. Come on. So I think I know why my muffler got so horrible. And it's really hard to see in there. Let me see if I can get better light. Well, inside of the muffler is completely gone, collapsed. And that's why it rattles and makes it sound raspy. Great. Okay, so I thought this was already a perfect fitment in here. Apparently not. I don't remember how I had this on here last. Okay, so it's not better, but I don't know. I kind of like the noise better on this one than the other one. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave it in the comments below. If you have any ideas that you want to see done to a car, leave it in the comments below. We'll see about doing it. I work on all different types of stuff, diesel, gas, right-hand drive stuff, everything. So leave it in the comments below.